Here we go. We got 2023 Absolute. We got a hobby box here that we're breaking down into one mini box for this break. This is my last box of these to open. Unfortunately, I opened one of them myself. Did not get my value back myself, at least. We've had some other decent ones so far, so see what we can get here. I know the last one we did not have a RPA, so that was pretty dumb. I refunded that one back because pretty much guaranteed it, because that's what they say. But nonetheless, here we go. See what we got. So we'll open this, and then we will switch it over to the channel. We'll randomize, and then we will draft after that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards in here. There'll be one auto for sure. There's 3 autos, 2 mem per box on average. So at least one auto for sure. And let's see what we got. Start off with the. Let's go to the bottom. I think these are the 2 base cards. First base card is the Joe Mixon for the Bengals. Mixon, first base card. Or second base card is a Baker Mayfield. Old Baker had a comeback here, a resurgence. Alright, then our first. What if I have something I can put over this? I'm going to put this Randy Rosarania home run card over top of it so I can't see myself. We got a Kalijah Cansey, number to 50. So as of right now, for every break, name gets entered into a list for the end of the month here. So as of right now, this one will be the winner. But obviously, you'd have to pick the winner, I guess. I guess you could just pick it. Didn't really think about that, but you could pick the card that wins to get you in the giveaway. Might be a reason to take a card over another. And then I'm going to go to the back here before the auto. We got a patch of Geno Smith, number to 199. Geno Smith, number to 199. Patch. Not from any specific game or event. Like always, from Panini. We love that. Set these here for now. And we got our auto. Randy is holding it back. It is an RPA. And it is numbered. It's a Dalton Kincaid. It's not bad. It's a 199. Looks like jersey, glove, and football. Dalton Kincaid. It's not too shabby there. Take that. At least we got an RPA. And you got the RPA out of the 3 boxes. So good pick, Taylor. You maybe luck is on your side once again, right?
I don't know. I gotta wait till this randomizer.
Step 1, you picked the right box, right? That's all that matters. All right, let me topple up these 2 base cards real quick, and then we'll switch it over. Go to the randomizer. First off, we'll just show what we got. Joe Mixon base, Baker Mayfield base, Kalijah Cansey, number to was it 50? And this will be our lowest number card of the break. Geno Smith to 199, and Dalton Kincaid to 199. RPA quad rookie premier. Not from any specific game or event. Okay. Let me move this over here. Switch it to screen.